How to fix iPhone Wi-Fi disconnects when iPhone is logged in iOS 16. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Firstly, what you have to do is open your settings app. Now scroll down, hit towards the option of battery, open it. Now over here you will find this option of low power mode. You have to toggle off for this option. After you do that, you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards the next solution, go back to the main page of settings. Now go to this option of display and brightness, open it. Scroll all the way down. You can find this option of rise to wake, toggle on for that option. Now go back. Now head towards this option of general. Scroll all the way down. You can see the option of transfer or reset iPhone, tap on that. Tap on reset. From here select the option of reset network settings. Now type in your passcode over here and continue with the process to reset your network. After you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, a solution is you can give fresh restart to your phone. For that, tap on this option of shut down. Now slide this icon to the right to power off your phone. After you turn off your phone, again turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. If all of these solutions doesn't work for you, then what you can do is you can update your software. For that, head towards this option of software update, open it. If you find any new update of iOS 16 version, you can just tap on the option of download and install and update to its latest version. Applying all of these solutions, your problem is gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix iPhone Wi-Fi disconnects when iPhone is logged in iOS 16. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.